Hello guys, how are you? My name is Luca and this is my kitchen. Welcome! Today we are making a classic Sicilian street food, panelle, chickpea fritters. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you very much! In a pan with 1.5 liters of cold water, sift the chickpea flour, pouring it a little at a time, mixing well to avoid lumps. Put the pot on the hob and bring to a boil, stirring constantly. At the first boil, lower the heat. Add salt. Cook for about 10-15 minutes, stirring constantly. Add the parsley. Pour the mixture into a loaf pan, lined with baking paper. Level out and beat the container gently. Leave to cool for about an hour. Turn out the mixture and cut it into slices of about half a centimeter. Fry the panelle 2-3 minutes on each side in a very hot seed oil, about 170 degrees. Add a pinch of salt. Stuff some sesame rolls with the panelle. Add a few drops of lemon juice.